so excited to use this. I'm letting you guys know right now, this little contraction took me forever to get it to fit properly and assemble. And it looks like I'm only going to be able to put a few items in here at a time. I thought it would be a little bigger so that I could put more in here. It just looks like I'll have to do a couple small loads. Directions are very basic. It doesn't even tell you how much liquid to put in here, nor does it tell you how much soap you put in. It doesn't give me a max. That's one set of instructions basically showing you what to do. I don't quite understand what dehydration mode means unless that's like the spin mode. We will figure that out, I guess. Going through these directions, they're very, very basic. It tells you what kind of electricity to use. Hold on, I'm just reading, sorry. I'm going to pause it and read. Okay, basically it tells you to put the clothes that need to be washed in the bucket and then put the appropriate amount of detergent, pour in an appropriate amount of water. So basically you want 3 to 5 centimeters higher than the height of the clothing. And then you put it in the position to wash. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the bucket with the detergent and water, run it through a cycle, and then I'm going to do a rinse cycle the same exact way. And we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. Just to give you guys an idea, that's one bra fit into the bucket, and we're going to wash it. Okay, so I don't know if you could see that, but it says shift switch, I think. I don't know what that means. It says to hold it for 3 minutes to turn it on or off. 3 seconds. I think it might be washing. Is that weird? I don't want to see how dirty the water is when it's done washing. Doesn't look that dirty, no. Alright, we'll watch it and see.